Hello everyone. I want to welcome you to my new site. It's called Velvet Site. I made this on Weebly.com. You guys can make websites for free on Weebly. You just go to www.weebly.com and you can make a site just like this. Now the reason I made this site was because every time I would upload a video to YouTube, I'd have to go to the website and get the link and then copy it and paste it to YouTube. Now I created a website to where if you guys want to join any of the specific sites I talk about here, you guys can. So I made videos. These are the same exact videos you're going to find on my YouTube channel, and I left the referral link below. After you watch the video, you guys can choose to join. So I made a video about Prize Rebel, and here you see Join Prize Rebel. There's the button. You can click on the button, and it'll take you to Prize Rebel. This is a video I made about Survey Junkie. It'll take you to Survey Junkie. You can sign up. A video I made about branded surveys. There's the button. You can click on that. It'll take you there, and you can sign up. Made a video on InstaGC. And if you want to sign up with InstaGC, I left a button below that video as well. And last but not least, you guys will be able to sign up with Swagbucks now. Okay, let me know if you have any issues signing up with Swagbucks and if it sends you to an error or anything, because for some reason I was not able to leave this link on YouTube. It kept saying that it was violating the terms or something. I don't know what that was about, but I wasn't able to leave the Swagbucks link on YouTube. So I went ahead and made a website where you guys can sign up to these sites. So these are the sites that I use. I use Prize Rebel, Survey Junkie, Branded Surveys, InstaGC, and Swagbucks. 5 sites that I use, all survey sites that I use that you guys can use as well. Okay? So I wanted to make this video showing you guys my new website that you guys can. I'll leave the link in the description below, and you guys can come here and watch the video, and you can sign up with Prize Rebel if you choose to. This is just another way of you guys being able to sign up with Prize Rebel. If you can't find a referral link or my referral link, you guys can come to this site and you guys can sign up to these sites on my website now. Like I said, Weebly is a really great site to be making videos on. You can create a website, you can create a capture page, you can create a blog, you can create almost anything. But Weebly and Wix are the two. They're free, and you guys can create free accounts, and you can create your own website, your own capture pages. But I would do research on it first. Go on YouTube and type in Wix. Watch videos on Wix, watch videos on Weebly, and you guys can decipher which one's the best one for you. I choose Weebly because it's easy to navigate around, and it didn't take me that long to make this site. I just had to make the videos first. Then I had to, do the text and add everything else, the picture and everything. But I like what I did here. I like the background picture. I like the text. I like how I did this. Okay, I added the buttons. I added the text. I added the YouTube videos. I did this site myself. Okay, I created this myself. Okay, so you guys can watch videos on this on how to add videos, how to add YouTube videos to Weebly. You just go on YouTube and watch a video on it. I have experience on how to do that, and like I said, I wouldn't mind showing you guys if you're interested. But let me know if you guys have issues signing up with Swagbucks this way. Since YouTube, I cannot leave the link to Swagbucks on YouTube anymore. It will not allow me to. So I just wanted to make this site so you guys can be able to sign up to all of my Get Paid To sites, which are Prize Rebel, Survey Junkie, Branded Surveys, InstaGC, and Swagbucks. So if you guys have any issues signing up with Swagbucks, please let me know. If you are able to sign up, let me know that as well. So that way I know that the link works. It just works on my website only. Okay? So just please give me a thumb. Let me know. Leave a comment on my channel letting me know if the link works. If it doesn't work, I want to know as well. So yeah, this is my website. And I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys come on here and create your own one day. But this is my website that I created for you guys. So if you want to sign up to any of these sites, you guys can sign up here. I mean, if you guys are, you don't have to wait around for me to make a Survey Junkie video. You can click on the link to the site and you can come here and watch it, and you can actually sign up here. So the link takes you straight to the website where you guys can sign up and become a member. Unfortunately, Survey Junkie has not sent me a referral link yet, so I sent you guys the actual link to the site to where you just go to the site and you sign up that way. I won't get any credit for it, but honestly, my whole thing is you guys making money and you sharing your journey with me about how I helped you guys. So right now I don't have a referral link for Survey Junkie, but I will be working on getting that. For right now, I just left the website link to Survey Junkie, and you guys can sign up that way. Remember, if you do sign up now, you guys will only have to cash out at 500 points, which is equivalent to $5 on Survey Junkie. Okay, and also Swagbucks has changed their $5 cash Swagbuck points to from 700 Swagbucks to 500. It used to be that you had to get to 700 Swagbucks to cash out, but now on Swagbucks you only need to get to 500 points to cash out $5. So they changed that around. And they also have a $10 PayPal as well. You have to get 1,000 points, 1,000 Swagbucks to cash out $10 on Swagbucks. Those are the main things I was looking for, because when I first joined Swagbucks, I did not see a $5 and I didn't see a $10. I saw 25, 100, and 250. 5 and 10, I did not see. Either that or it just wasn't, I was overlooking it. So I apologize for bringing you guys that information late, but just remember that Swagbucks, the $5 cash out is now 500 points for Swagbucks. You just need 500 Swagbucks. It is no longer 700 Swagbucks. I don't know how long it's going to stay that way. All I know is right now, to cash out $5, you need to get to 500 Swagbucks on Swagbucks. Okay? So don't forget to let me know if this link works. Let me know if it doesn't work. I need to know so I can fix it for you guys. And just let me know if you like the site. Just, leave me a comment in the description below. All right. Happy to help you guys in any way I can. Take care.